Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the item which you show on the lock screen in your Xiaomi X6 Pro Poco, of course. So in this case, which you want to set up this, just go to your settings. Okay, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the notification and status bar. Scroll down and there is an option items show on a lock screen after swapping down. So in this case you will see the notification shade, control center and device control. Yep, so items show on the lock screen after swapping down. So we can choose all these items, swapping down. Yep, now as you see, we're gonna get all option when we swap down from the lock screen. And that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.